Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so my video can reach more people. And talk about rejection. Now, I've spoken to one of my clients about rejection, probably a few of my clients about rejection, because if you're like me, I know that you've experienced rejection. I think all of us actually have. If you haven't, then I don't understand how. But yeah, rejection is just something that you have to get used to because it's going to happen. And I remember watching this video on this guy, and I don't remember his name or what the video was called, but he purposely allowed himself to get rejected like as often as possible. He would literally put himself in a position to where he was guaranteed to get rejected, because it's like, it's the best way to get over rejection is by getting rejected continuously. And I was not okay with this up until my business. And there are a lot of you in this group who rejected me, and I had to allow myself to know that it's okay if they rejected me. But if I wouldn't have extended the offer to work with me, then I would be doing a disservice to y'all, and I would be doing a disservice to myself, because I'm here to help people. And if I wouldn't have given you the option to be guided by me, then how would you know that you had the option, you know? So I literally have written right here, and it says, it's okay for them to say no, thank you, because the more often I ask, the better chance I have to getting a yes, I'm in. And I have gotten a lot of yes, I'm in and excitement. And if I wouldn't have put myself out there, then I wouldn't have gotten that. So I'm saying this to say that it's okay if you get rejected. I know that shit hurts, but you have to put yourself out there, and you have to be okay if you get rejected. Just remind yourself, like, it's okay. It is okay. And it happens. Not everybody's going to tell you yes, and you're just not going to get everything that you want all the time. But you got to shoot your shot, and you got to try to get that yes. Otherwise, it's always going to be a no. And I know you guys have heard this saying, closed mouths don't get fed. So do what you have to do to achieve what you want to achieve and what you have to achieve. And don't give up on yourself. It hurts. Don't get me wrong. I have literally been like so fucked up over being rejected before, and multiple times. And so it can hurt, especially if it's by somebody that you strongly care about. It can hurt to feel rejected, and yeah, it just hurts. But you have to know that everybody's doing their best, and like I said, you're not going to always get what you want. But once you put yourself in the position to be rejected more often, it will be easier for when you do get rejected. Because now if somebody tells me no, I'm just like, oh, okay, like that's fine. And I don't feel any type of way about it after. Because obviously I'm still going to deliver kindness, because just because they told me no doesn't mean they're a bad person. So I still deliver, you know, I'm so nice about it. But before, I would be like, man, and like be down on myself and like, what did I do wrong and all these things. And now, because I've gotten rejected so many times, this is literally the only reason, because I've gotten rejected so many times and trained myself to be okay with rejection, that is how now when I'm being told no, I'm just like, okay, that's fine. And then I don't feel any kind of way about it. So put yourself in the position to be rejected more often. And I know this sounds stupid. I know that this sounds like, yeah, okay, I'm good. Thank you, but I'm good. And I know you're probably thinking something like that. But still, just think about it. Think about putting yourself in the position to be rejected. If you know that somebody is bound to say no to something, like this guy that I was talking about in the beginning, he would go on the streets and ask random people for like $100 or $200. I can't remember the exact amount, but he would ask for that much. And like, he's a random person on the street and these are random people, so it's just like the chances of people telling him, yeah, here's $100, is highly unlikely. So get rejected. Allow yourself to get rejected and just practice being rejected and to see how it is, because if you don't, you'll continuously feel helpless when you are rejected. Whereas if you do work on it, you feel it in the moment, and then you understand that it's not necessarily you. You're not the problem. And it's okay for people to say no. They have the right to say no. And yeah, so get rejected more often and learn to be okay with rejection, because we all deal with it. So you might as well get used to it and learn to be okay with it, because if you don't, it's going to continue to hurt. And if it doesn't hurt you, fine, whatever. I'm not going to say that that's not true, but if it doesn't hurt you, that means that you've already worked on it. And if you feel like it's not hurting you, or you say it's not hurting you, and then you actually really think about it and it actually does hurt you, that's just your coping mechanism. It's just saying, I don't care. Think about getting rejected more often and changing your mindset on it. Everything that I do is about shifting your mindset and to a more positive, loving mindset, so that way you can do more for yourself and be more for yourself. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful for you, and I hope you're having a great day. And smile right now. If you're watching this video, smile, and put in the comments below if you watched some of this video live or if you're watching the replay. And yeah, thank you for making time to interact with my posts in this group. And yeah, I hope that anyone who hasn't been interacting on the posts that I make, start and be okay with whatever happens, and don't be afraid to make your own posts, and don't be afraid to comment on each other's posts. We're all here. This is a community to improve yourself. We're all on a personal growth journey, and it never ends. I'm on my personal growth journey, and like I said, it never ends. So reach out to each other and reach out to me, and let's connect more and do better for ourselves. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I upload Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, so stay tuned for the next video, and also stay tuned for the recommended videos after. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. If you are looking for a one-on-one coaching, or just trying to improve your personal development and you need guidance, a safe space, and somebody to deliver a different perspective and push you out of your comfort zone, check the link in the description below. So that way you can book your free connection call with me, and we can figure out what your goals are and see if we can move forward and help you achieve the goals that you want and achieve the goals that you have to live the life that you want. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Enjoy your day and speak kindly to yourself and others. And always, always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's